Hey everybody, it's Sandra Lett. I'm sitting in my colorful gallery. I'm surrounded by my paintings. Life is good. I just wanted to let you know that it's time for my monthly giveaway on my website. So I want you to go there and click on sandralett.com and over to the left, I'm not sure which way. On the left side of the website, it will say Sandra Lett, and underneath it, there'll be a tab for contest. And if you click on the contest, if you look down, there'll be a painting, and it's a print. I'm giving away a print, and it's a big one. It's a 12 by 16 inch photo print, so it's luster paper. There's a little bit of a sheen to it. It's really good quality print called Fire Lily. That is my free giveaway this month. If hopefully if you live inside the United States. It's a little harder to ship outside of the United States. And I can always send you a download if you're outside of the United States. But this is my free giveaway on my website. So if you would like a chance to win this, click on contest under Sandra Lett on my website, and it'll say effortless entry. Click on that blue button that says effortless entry, and then you fill in your name and your email address, and that will put you in for a chance to win the free print. So make sure to go do that. I want you to be able to win a free print for me. And I also wanted to mention there's some exciting things coming up. First thing is Tuesday, May 28th, my mentor, Matt Tommy, had me film a tutorial in his studio in Asheville, North Carolina, and it is going live Tuesday, I think at 1:00 p.m. He's going to interview me. We're going to do an interview on Facebook, and if you would like to see that interview, I will try to share it with you. I'm not sure how that works on YouTube. I can maybe share it in my community tab on my YouTube page. But if you're in my Facebook group, or if you come over to Facebook, if you find me on Facebook, I will definitely share the link everywhere there on Facebook. So the cool part is I'm doing a tutorial, and it's one of the arty kind of paintings that I've done before on a YouTube video. But this is a paid tutorial that he's going to promote, and if there's going to be like about 48 hours or so of registration time. It'll be open for registration for as long as it's there, forever, but only during like a 2 or 3 day period. He's going to offer an extra surprise, an extra gift. And there's going to be 2 winners. One winner is going to win an original painting of mine that is 18 by 24. Yes, this. So I'm going to lean back so you can see the whole thing. But it is one of my, it is not the one I did in the tutorial, but it's very familiar and very similar to the one I did in his tutorial. So this is what you will win. One person will win this in the United States, and then another person is going to win a Deco Art starter kit that we've put together that has a few canvases, pouring medium, some colors, some OGX coconut hair milk, gloves, stir sticks, and everything that you need to start on your first pour. There'll be 2 canvases, so you can do 2 of your first pours. So that will be the second prize. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm really excited about going live with that on Tuesday with my mentor, Matt Tommy. And that course will be available on his website, and I'll put a link when we go live. I'll share it with you on YouTube, and we will put a link below the video if you're interested in taking the tutorial. This tutorial will take you over to his Matt Tommy page under his e-courses, and you'll have the opportunity to purchase that tutorial there. and you'll be in the running. If you get in the first 48 hours or so, you'll be in the running for the free painting or the Deco Art gift pack. So good luck with that, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to do this. And then the third thing I wanted to mention is I finally have got my first tutorial. Well, I did a YouTube tutorial, how to start your own YouTube channel and to become monetized if you want to use it as a source of income. I made a complete tutorial from the beginning to the end on how to do that, and that I already have as an online course. And where you go to is right here, https://Sandra-Lett. I'm reading this backwards in my camera. thinkific.com/collections. So there is a YouTube tutorial if you're wanting to take your art or your hobby or whatever it is that you do and take it to the next level and put it on YouTube for the world to see. I have a tutorial that shows you how to do that. If you're interested, that is on there. And so that is going to be offered. And then I just filmed my first acrylic painting tutorial for those of you who want to learn how to paint. I have so many people that love my acrylic pouring, and I'm going to do tutorials on that as well that take you through step by step with no editing, no cutting out or speeding up the video. Everything is real time, so it takes you through from the beginning to the end of a painting, how to do it and everything. I'm going to do acrylic pours. I'm going to do abstract paintings. I'm going to do what I call bohemian or whimsical style paintings, animals, landscapes, butterflies, critters, nature, all of that. I love to paint it all. So I'm going to offer tutorials, and what happens is you will go to the same link, which is below my video. If you're on a computer, you click on Show More, and it will show you below. Or if you're on your mobile device, you just click on the down arrow and you look below the video, and there will be a link right here. This link will be at the bottom of the video. So I'm showing you this so that you can see it really nice and clear. So I'm super excited. I shot my first tutorial, and what's going to happen on this it's called Embrace Your Creative Spirit courses. And this is to teach you how to paint all different styles. I want you to be able to learn how to paint. And so instead of going and taking a class somewhere, you can just purchase the video and take it in the comfort of your home and do it. You get your materials list, and you get a traceable that you will trace out onto your painting if we're going to do a particular thing, and you will paint right along with me on the video, which is really going to be fun. And there's going to be, you can either purchase a class by class, just pay for one class at a time, whichever classes you would prefer to take, or you can do a monthly membership, and it'll be a little bit discounted, and you'll pay a monthly fee. And then there'll be, I think, maybe a yearly subscription if you want to pay for it all in 1 year, and you have unlimited access to that year's tutorials. And I will be doing at least 2 full tutorials a month. So that is 24 tutorials that will be offered to you in a year, at least. I may do more. I've done the first one, and I'm super excited. It'll be up and running in the next day or two, I'm hoping. I'm hoping we'll get it all uploaded and ready to go. So here is my first tutorial that I did. And yes, you can paint this too. That is the awesome part about this. You do not have to be an artist to do this. I'm going to show you step by step how to paint this 8x10 canvas. This is the style that I call bohemian or whimsical. So it's not totally realistic. It's just kind of imaginary. It's fun. It's playful. I'm going to do all different styles of this. There's going to be something like this that's floral. There might be something that has birds. You just never know with the bohemian. It's going to be very whimsical and fun. And if you look up close, it's kind of painterly, and it's kind of like doing an outline, and then you paint in the colors. And I'm going to show you how to blend the colors, mix the colors and everything. So this is my first class that I taught, and I can't wait to bring you the tutorial and let you know that it's out there. And what happens is you'll get a materials list when you purchase it. You'll get a materials list, and then you'll go and you'll purchase those items at the store. And like this starter painting right here, maybe all together buying new paint, brushes, a plastic palette, and a canvas. I don't think it costs more than $25 to do this painting. So you'll just go out and purchase those items, and then once you're finished, you'll have leftover paint and brushes that you can use on the next tutorial. And then, you can even buy a bigger pack of canvases, and you'll maybe get a 5-pack of 8x10s, and then you'll have 5 canvases that are ready to roll for each tutorial that I put out. And then I'll have a printable, and you'll be able to print this out on your printer. This is an 8x10, and you'll put it on a blank white canvas and trace it out. And then you will paint along with me, and I will show you how to paint and turn this on your canvas into this. Isn't that exciting? It's so colorful and fun. And I just love doing stuff like this. I have been an artist for 20 years, and I just love it. So this is the first tutorial. So if you're interested, click below the video right here, and it will show up in this link. You bookmark this on your computer or on your phone. If you bookmark it, then it will be saved, and you can find it again very easily. So my tutorial will be coming out in the next day or so. Be looking for it. I'm super excited to start this journey. So I'm going to still paint free YouTube videos. I'm going to continue to do several a week. You'll still get access to all my free YouTube videos. But I decided I wanted to do the online teaching and offer people the chance to learn how to paint all styles of artwork, from flowers to bohemian, like I said, animals, birds, landscapes, abstracts. There's a lot of requests for abstracts. So there are going to be some fun abstracts. We're just going to go to it and play. And these will be very affordable for you. You can purchase it by class, or if you want to do a monthly subscription, however you want to do it. And if you do the subscription, then you have access to all the tutorials, and you can pick and choose all the classes you want to take. So that's what's going on. So thank you so much. Go sign up for the contest if you want the free print, the Fire Lily. I'm giving it away on the evening of May 29th. I will pick the computer, actually. I don't pick it. The computer will randomly pick a winner for this Fire Lily print. So I'm real excited about that. And be looking for the tutorial information. I will be posting that really soon. So I hope y'all have a great week. I hope you're having a good Memorial Day weekend and a good Monday off for the holiday. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.